Unlock the power of seamless data automation between Google Sheets and countless other apps in just a few minutes. First, let's head over to your Google Sheet for this tutorial. We'll assume you already have a sheet set up with some data. Ready to be pushed or pulled, make sure your data is organized into clear columns with headers. Zapier loves a well-structured sheet. Now, open up Zapier and click the Create Zap button, usually found in the top left corner. This will launch the Zap editor. The first step, your trigger, is what kicks off your automation. We'll search for Google Sheets and select it from the app list. Next, choose your trigger event. For this example, we'll select New Spreadsheet Row. This means our Zap will activate every time a new row is added to your Google Sheet. Now, connect your Google Sheets account if you haven't already. Zapier will prompt you to authorize access to your Google account. It's a simple, secure process. With your account connected, select the specific Google Sheet and Worksheet you want Zapier to monitor from the drop-down menu. Zapier will then try to pull in a sample row to confirm the connection. If the test is successful, it's time to add your action. Click the plus icon to add an action step. For demonstration purposes, let's choose Gmail as our app and send email as the action event. Just like with Google Sheets, connect your Gmail account if you haven't already. Now the magic happens. You can map the data from your Google Sheet row to the fields in your Gmail template. For instance, you can put the name from your sheet into the to field and the email into the subject line. Customize your email body using data from your sheet, then click Test Action to send a test email. Once you're happy, name your Zap and turn it on. Now, any new row in your Google Sheet will automatically trigger a Gmail to be sent.